안녕하세요. 공공루리의 루리예요. 자, 오늘은 Today we read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Marla Lambs. 그럼 책 속으로 고고! Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Snuff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! Oh! I cannot stop choo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pig make me sneeze? Huh? Chew! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Oh, sorry. But if pig do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh. Then we cannot be friends when we must be apart forever. Oh. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Pig is also my best friend. Chew! Meow! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Stop. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Chew. Oh, chew. The end. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. And see you next time. 구독과 좋아요 꾹꾹. Bye-bye.